Hello, my name is Dr. Johnny Thomas, Superintendent of Rich Township High School District 227. Thank you for listening to and watching this week's update. I want to wish everyone in the Rich Township High School community a Happy New Year as we prepare to return to school. The second semester begins Monday, January 10th, and we are planning a safe return to school. All students are expected to do the following upon return. Wear a mask that covers their nose and mouth. No ski masks are allowed. Social distance, wear their IDs around their neck at all times, and place their hoodies in their lockers by 9 a.m. So as a visual representation, it makes it almost impossible for us to identify individuals who are engaging in negative activities when the hood accompanied with a ski mask is worn in the school. And so we are taking an abundance of caution, steps to allow for us to really make sure that we are identifying our students and providing the necessary supports to help them be successful. I also want to encourage everyone in our community to get vaccinated if you are able to, in order to help slow the spread of COVID. As you may know, the Omicron variant is the more transmissible than previous variants. And as a community, we must take all steps to keep our students, families, and staff safe. I have a few more updates for you, so please listen further. Rich Township High School District 227 will be offering several vaccination clinics starting on January 11th and February 1st at the Fine Arts and Communication campus in the Cheer Gym, January 13th and February 3rd at the STEM campus in room 200. All times are 3 to 7 p.m. Walk-ins are welcome for all citizens 5 years and older. There are no costs and no appointments necessary. We want our students to start the second half of the school year off strong by coming to school every day, attending all of their classes, and being on time for classes, including advisory. Some students may have new classes added for second semester or a schedule change. This is a reminder that the last day to get the schedule change is Friday, January 14th. Course selection starts the week of January 10th and ends the week of January 31st. If a student does not complete the course selection process by Friday, February 4th, they will be given a default schedule for next school year. We hope our families use the break to review the curriculum handbook and classes their students will take next school year. The link to view the curriculum handbook has been emailed to you with this week's update, so please take a moment to read it if you haven't already. We're here today at the Tinley Park Convention Center providing additional support professionally for our teachers, but we're also providing tests to the community as it relates to COVID-19. As you all know, we will be returning to school in partnership with the Cook County Department of Public Health. We are not able to just determine alone an adaptive pause or our ability to go remote. We have to work in conjunction with the Cook County Department of Public Health, which then gives us guidance if we have permission to go to an adaptive pause. Just having the high rates isn't enough for us. There has to be evidence spread within the community. So we work hard with our partners at the Cook County Department of Public Health to make that determination, and if it is needed, we will make that decision in partnership with our health departments. As always, thank you again for taking the time to watch and listen to this week's update. For real-time updates regarding new information, I encourage you to visit our website. Make sure you stay connected with us on social media and continue to check your emails regularly. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and continue to look after each other because we're stronger together.